Hi, and welcome to Not Too Late Natural Hair. I'm Lisa. Okay, so I just washed my hair, deep conditioned it. So now I'm going to do some Bantu knots or twist Bantu on my hair using Not Your Mother's product line that I have been loving. So this is not sponsored. The three that I will be using is Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Sculpting Gel, Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Defining Cream. I love this one. It feels like it's almost finished. And Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Curl Activating Mousse. So these are the products that I'm going to be using in today's video. So it's fall. This weather is crazy. It's a little bit nippy out. Some areas are already cold, freezing, snowstorms. We're just in October. So I have, at the ending of October is, not the ending, but the last week in October is my birthday week. So I am just combing out my hair, which has a little bit out today. Sometimes it's good to, I don't know if you guys can see it. Sometimes it's good to use the fine comb rather than the wide tooth comb that I normally use, because sometimes I just want to comb out whatever knots or anything that could be in my hair. So start off with the mousse. Going to section off my hair. Let's do it this way. Call that new growth already, and I think it's attributed to me working out some more. My hair has been growing. Thank God. Okay. So with the change of weather, it's going to be interesting to see how Not Your Mother's hold up in the winter time, because my staple has been Design Essentials for the winter. I like using that in the winter time and mix it up, and my hair always acts up or does its own thing. You know my saying, no rhyme or reason, it just has a mind of its own. So that being said, I am going to section it off. I'm not going to make these tiny ones. Uh-oh. I'll pick that up later. Get my mirror so I can see if I halfway parted this right. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take some curl cream, like a drop or two, some gel, a drop or two, mix it up together, save time. Work it through. So I did this the other day, and I didn't film it, so that's why I'm filming it now. And I think I'm just gonna make 3. And I realized my hair only wanted to twist to one side. So what I'm doing is just wrapping it around my finger all the way, and then I am wrapping it around the knot. So it's like this. And I think I noticed the difference when I was switching hands. So it has to turn to the right. I'm using my left hand and I'm twisting to the left. And I think for some reason it didn't want to stay that way. It's like, oh. It made a liar out of me. All right, so let's do this one. Okay. Is any coming out? Okay. All right. And so that's how I'm going to do the rest of my hair. Where is this one coming from? Okay, so let me do this one over because it... And you don't want to make it too tight because you're going to have to sleep on it once it's dry. Okay. So I'm going to do this section here. I came out halfway neat. So I am going to sit on it the dryer for about 10 minutes and then the rest is air dry. Then I'm gonna sleep on it and then I should show you the results in the morning when I wake up, God's willing. So this is how it looks. All right, I'll be back. Good morning. It is the next morning and it's October 2019, so don't forget to wear pink at least once or twice this month. I don't know where my lipsticks are. I only have a few because it's only a few brands that I always stick with, but it's breast cancer month. So let's make sure that you wear it in support of all the women that are going through breast cancer, any kind of cancer. I'm sorry, not just breast cancer, it's any kind of cancer these days. So I'm just taking out the curls. Oh, this one's still wet. Oh my. I think the not so big ones are definitely dry. Okay, I'm just gonna run with this, and throughout the day just fluff it out and fluff it out. And this, my friends, is how we're going to start the day off. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching Not Too Late Natural Hair. And remember, it's okay to have a little fluff in your life. Deal with it. Don't forget to wear pink to support all the women and men, children, everyone who has cancer. Give back. Do something. Take a walk. 5K, 3K, 10K, anything to contribute to this disease that's, you know, I feel like it's like everyone knows someone at this point that have cancer. So hopefully by us walking and donating that we give back, and hopefully we'll have a cure in the near future. Thank you, my lovelies. Have a wonderful day. Bye.